In this experiment, we'll use the apparatus as shown to study the refraction of light. First, connect the ray box to the power supply. Put the paper protractor in front of the ray box and place a semicircular perspex block on top of it. Direct a light ray towards the straight edge of the semicircular perspex block with an angle of incidence of 0 degrees. Measure the angle of refraction. Now, repeat with different angles of incidence and find out how the angle of refraction is related to the angle of incidence.